Maybe I should use the table saw. To be able to do this right, I needed the right tooling. It turns out that even though I thought I had everything I needed, I still was not prepared to make this bookshelf. At least not in the way I wanted to. Question: is it possible to go full depth of cut without messing everything up? It is not possible. Routers are not your friend. I have a large tendency to overcomplicate things, but I find that if I think about a plan and adapt well enough, I can usually pull off complexity fairly well with grit and resolve. The part that aggravates me the most is that if this was in a mill, I would have clamped it down, milled the channel, and been done by now. It is driving me crazy. This bookshelf threw me for a loop in many ways.